Now here's a big point. Remember this one. It's futile to predict the economy, interest rates, and stock market. I mean, people keep trying to do this. I mean, this would be useful. I would love to know when we get a recession. I'd love to know when interest rates can go up or down. I'd love to know when the stock market's going up. That would be helpful. I would like to get next year's Wall Street Journal. Unfortunately, you don't get it. I remember in 1982, we had a lot of people in this room around for 82. We had 20% prime rate, 15% long governments, double-digit unemployment, double-digit inflation. I don't remember anybody telling me about that in 1980. I don't remember anybody telling me about that in 1981. But in 83, I remember they said, well, the economy's bounced back. We're in a recession in 85. In 85, they said we have a recession in 86. In 87, something happened in October 87. I forget what something happened in October 87. Celtics lost 7 in a row. Something bad in 87. They said for sure we'll have a recession in 88. And they said 89 for sure we'll have a recession. And then 90, we're supposed to have the so-called soft landing, which we never had. So I've always said if you spend 13 minutes a year on economics, you've wasted 10 minutes. And all you need to know about the stock market is it goes up and it goes down, and it goes down a lot. And that's all you need to know. Again, it'd be terrific to know what's going to happen in the economy, but I deal with facts. If inventories are going up, if copper prices are going down, if room occupancy is going the wrong way, people building too many hotels. I look at freight car loadings, I own railroad stocks. I deal with facts. I don't deal with people tell me something's going to happen in the future.